Hi, welcome back to Classic Susan. It is time to do the July Ipsy unbagging, and I know I'm a little late to the game on this, but I've had a lot of things going on. So anyway, I just want to show you what I added on. Of course, I added on my Luxie, which is a wonderful, wonderful contour brush. And of course, welcome Butter, because every single time I've tried to film, the last few times I've tried to film, Butter has been constantly crying. Butter is a stray cat that I took in. But anyway, this is the Luxie 1010 contour. I love this thing. You get such precision. Oh, and it just works fabulously. Beautiful, 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 beautiful brush. I also added on a shader brush, I think. Yeah. I added on, oh, no, never mind. I don't know what I added on this month. I did get the Red Earth Brighten Concentrate Plum Oil. Can't wait to try this. I love facial oils. I do have like dry to combo skin. I am over 50 and I can't wait to see if this can like brighten up certain areas of my face and just give me an overall better complexion. So anyway, really excited to try this. So there's 1 out of 5 so far that I like. I got the Murad Vitamin C Cleanser. Definitely I will use this one. It's a definite use. I'm so on Murad. They're the things that work really, really well, but I found some new favorites and I'll discuss that in a later time. I also got the Color Rain eyeshadow in, it doesn't tell me. I should probably look at the card, but I'm not going to because, Okay, let's see. Oh, sorry. This is a no. This is a no. No for me. I will definitely know exactly who I'm going to give this to, and she will probably be thrilled with it. This is Superstar, by the way. Superstar. Not for me. It's just not for me. So that's 2 out of 5. That's not bad. Oh, I got the Pacifica blush in Bronzed Rose. Rose and coconut infused blush and bronzer. I will probably be giving this to someone else. However, I got something awesome in here that I am so excited about. I did get the Billion Dollar Brows spoolie and brush. Love this, can't wait. Let's just see. Oh yeah, that's gonna be really, really nice. I have a powder blush thing or powder brow thing that I got that I just can't wait. But yeah, I really liked the brow pencil I got. So it's a 3 out of 5, but that's okay because I know exactly who I'm going to give the other 2 products to. Okay, so let's see what I was really supposed to get in my dive in. It was the Murad Essential C, the Billion Dollars Eyebrow Brush, Red Earth Brighten Concentrate Oil with Cadu Plum, the Color Rain in Superstar, and the Pacifica Bronzer Blush Duo. No offense to the Pacifica, but I have cover. Let's try that again. I have the Cover FX palette. So, you know, I have a Cover FX palette. I have a Tarte palette. I have the Park Avenue Princess palette. I have the Tarte Pro Glow palette. I have lots of other palettes. So the Pacifica is going into a push gift for my friend who is getting ready to have a baby in like 11 days, I think. And these are colors that are perfect for her skin. Not really the right shade for me. I need a little bit deeper of a bronzer and a little bit deeper of a blush. Yeah, I mean, I have lots of things that I love, and this will definitely be appreciated by her. Let me think. I think that covers everything I got in my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of July. But yeah, let's use this spoolie because my brows are a hot mess. So let's see. Ooh, it's got a really nice spoolie. It grabs my brow hairs and picks them up. I don't have any kind of product on my brows. This is my get it and forget it and be done and go to the grocery store and get all your errands run. I mean, I have like air dried hair and I look pretty crazy today, but I did want to get this on video and get it done so that you can see what I got. I'm really, really excited for the few things that I do have in here, and I cannot wait. Remember, this is all just makeup. It's nothing perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. Life is not perfect. What else did I add on? Oh, I added on this Mellow Precision eyeliner because I needed an eyeliner, and then I ended up getting one in my FabFitFun box, and now it's like, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I have like 2 different eyeliners. I did want to try this one. I'm going to leave it sealed, and when I'm ready to try it, I will make sure that I mention that this was from the Ipsy bag. But yeah, that pretty much covers it. This is a really, really quick video. I just wanted to get something up and out and to you guys. And I want to thank you so much for watching. If you could ring the bell, subscribe, and if you leave a comment on this video, I am going to be giving away something. Let's reach in our mystery bag and see what we've got. Ooh. I have these Makeup Revolution Flawless Foils, and this one is in, ooh, where is it? Unicorn foil. This is a white with a pinky purple shift. They're awesome. I actually used the rose gold one, but yeah, so I'm trying a new foundation today. I'm not really impressed with it, and I'm not even going to talk about what kind it is because it's not worth it. But yeah, so great. Tell me what you think. Give me a comment. I'll do my little randomizer, and I will be giving this away. So remember, it's just makeup. It washes off. It's okay. Do what you want to do. If you want to put on a green blush and green lipstick, do that. It's all up to you. So I just want you to remember that you are loved and that this is great, and it's going to be fine. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. And definitely I will be giving this to one of my commenters. Yeah, so have a great night, and remember, you are loved. Bye.